Hello YouTube, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing today. This package arrived a while ago. I've just been way too busy to unpack it, and I'm finally catching my breath after a whirlwind of the month of August. So let's get into it. I got it from Amazon Japan, and I'm going to take this off camera and just pull this ripcord and get that open. And ta-da! It's a platinum. Yes, this is one of maybe two fountain pens that I had started to buy. It just took a while for it to get here with it coming from Japan. I was perusing on Amazon probably too late at night and saw this killer deal for this, and I had to get it. And I know I'm not really supposed to be buying a lot of fountain pens and such, slowing down, but I made the exception for this one. So, nice black box here with platinum, their QR codes, Japanese, which I still can't read all of the letters correctly. The box opens up, sleeve comes off, and ta-da! I'm very excited. Let me zoom in. I'm very excited about this pen. I saw it and I kind of held off. Took that out. Nice little pen cushion. And then there is the Platinum Japan warranty card, the proprietary cartridge from Platinum, and this is a 3776 Century, and I got the Nice version, which is the demo version in a rose gold finish. And if you guys know me, you know I'm a sucker for rose gold. I'll keep that platinum since they use platinum preppy. This is what the pen looks like. It comes in a nice little clear sleeve. And then I'm gonna put this in here, make you guys wait for just a second longer. The pen itself. Look at that demo with faceted ridges, it looks like, on the inside. Lots of them. Rounded nib, so it's a cigar shape. As you can see, I see a cartridge converter in there. Another rounded nib with rose gold tops there. Unthread this. Look at that beautiful nib. 3776. And this one I got in a medium nib. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so I will say I'm kind of surprised. This feels differently than I thought. I thought I would see the facets not feel them, but I can actually feel the ridges of this material. And it seems like it's just an expensive plastic. So I'm kind of a little disappointed on the build quality. I love the band though. The band is really, look at that, platinum 3776. Made in Japan. So that comes out very well. But it almost seems like some of them are a little mismatched. Like this one seems a little, to me, more rose gold than this part, which seems like it's more of a gold. So I don't know exactly what Platinum was doing here, because it seems like their finishes are not consistent. This unscrews. Yay, it's got a converter. These things cost a little mint when they don't have them. Nib unit. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's get some ink and ink this bad boy up and see how it is. Okay, I've picked out a color. I'm gonna go with the Diamine Inkvent Calendar Day 21, and the color that I'm going to pick is the Brandy Snap. That is the color. Sorry about that. Get that in focus there for you. I'm gonna use that one. I just got done cleaning out my nib unit. I just flushed that with some pen flush just to make sure that that's kind of got no residue. And let's see what we got here. So I normally do my converters Okay. It's slowly but surely sucking up some of the ink. I think this is why I usually tend to use ink syringes. Almost got a full fill that one time. There we go. All right. I've got a paper towel over here on this side to wipe off my nib. And put that to the side. Yeah, the body of this rather expensive pen is very, it's very plasticky feeling, which I'm kind of not a fangirl of the plastic fill nature of the pen, but hopefully the writing experience makes up for it. This is my first Platinum with a medium nib. I'm normally getting fine or extra fine pens. I recently have chopped down my Cosmo Air Light notebook, and so I've used the remnants from that as a swatching sample because I wanted to try this paper out. I still haven't written in the actual book that I cut down. I'll be doing a separate video on that, but here's what this looks like as a writing sample. So this is, ooh, it started up right away. Platinum 3776, and this is the Nice edition. The ink, and let me make sure I'm in zoomed here. The ink is Diamine Brandy Snap, and this was number 21 from the Ink Vent Xmas calendar. And this is a medium nib. This paper, well, if Tomoe River has changed, this might become my number one fan favorite paper, because this paper is fantastic. Okay, so when it comes to Japanese pens, I'm really becoming a favorite of a medium nib, and I didn't think I was going to say that because I'm quite the fine, extra fine, fine point girl. But that's what that looks like. Let me just get that in on Cosmo Air Light paper. So that is it. That's all I have for you today. Just wanted to quickly share the latest edition of my Platinum pen into my collection for my Japanese pens. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate all the love and support and staying with me. Please stay healthy, and until the next time, I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.